Today we're going to open 6 surprise eggs, Justice League Mighty Minis, and a Teen Titans Go minifigure blind bag. Hi everyone, this is Owen and Amy from Surprise Eggs and Toy Fun, and we have Sweetie here again today. Sweetie is going to actually help us open them, we think, today. We'll see how that goes. Alright, Sweetie, do you want to go first? Crack it open. Oh, good try. Let's try again. Let's crack this one open. Ready? Good boy. What's in there?
What's the word? I don't think this is white. I don't think he has the white pieces.
Alright guys, so here's what we got out of that egg. Does that look right?
Yeah, kind of.
Kind
Except
of.
for the arms.
Yeah. Do you think this is his arm?
No.
Do you think this is his arm?
No.
No. They two wrong
I think
arms?
everything's right except for his arms.
Okay. We'll put those to the side. Okay, let me point this down a minute.
We do youngest
Owen's next?
to oldest.
Okay.
Okay. You're the youngest.
Now what'd you get,
What's
Owen?
this one? Full guy.
Alright, so we have the full Seth Rollins.
Wait, actually, no. That's not a full one.
No?
The legs are wrong.
This is $1 Million Man's legs.
Yeah.
Okay. Is that
Almost right.
almost right? Okay, let's keep searching. It's like a puzzle.
Mama, you next.
Let's see what I get in here. Okay, John Cena's legs. I know that one.
Yeah.
Right? Okay, and I don't know how to put these guys together. I'm going to give it to Owen. You work on that. Sweet, you want to try another egg? Okay.
Do you want a tail with it?
Let's push it open. Good boy. All right.
I got the full, what is it? Bret Hart.
Okay, so we believe this is the full Bret Hart, regular Bret Hart.
Yeah.
And Sweetie got... Whoa, did you take Sweetie's pieces a while?
Yeah.
Okay, Owen's putting together Sweetie's pieces a while. Let's see if we can get any
Another
more
full guy.
figures.
We have another full guy. I think while I was taking them apart and putting them in different eggs, I put two of this guy's same things
Okay.
in an egg.
So this guy is Rusev. I really don't know how to pronounce that one.
Yeah, I don't either. I just say receive.
Receive, like he's gonna receive a package. Okay. Next, did you open yours a while?
Full Seth Rollins.
Okay. Did you open yours a while?
Yeah.
Okay, so my
Full
turn.
$1 Million Man except for an arm.
Now, who did I get? I have Undertaker's head. I remember the mohawk. And some blue pants, which is Bret Hart Heart Foundation.
What?
And then some arms. Okay, Owen. Owen's gonna work on those.
These are all wrong. I put Undertaker's.
They all look very
I put
similar.
this guy's head on Undertaker's.
At least to me, they all look really similar.
Yeah.
Ah.
Did he smile at me?
What do you think, sweetie? What's next? Are you gonna open a blind bag? There's 3 of them there. Which one? Your foot's touching the Justice League. You want that one?
Yeah, I'll open that.
Alright, Sweetie is gonna open this Justice League. So let's see if he can get it with his mouth. Ready?
Nom, nom, nom.
Okay, very good, Sweetie. Ooh, what do we get? Okay, we have Superman. We have Hulk. I mean, not Hulk,
What is it?
Falcon.
What is it?
And
What? Hawkman?
I thought it's Falcon.
And then that guy is, yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yep.
Green Arrow? Who is it?
Wait, what? That's not, is that Green Arrow?
So, we have this really nice checklist. They have really nice big pictures of all the guys and girls. So we have Green Arrow, which the expression's a little different, but I'm pretty sure that's Green Arrow.
Yeah.
And then we also have Hawkman. I thought it was Falcon. And we have Superman. We didn't get any of the girls yet. Let's see, Hawkman. Looks just like his picture. Almost.
Yeah.
Maybe they have different expressions, because that's a different expression too. And then Superman. Superman has the same expression. And then Green Arrow.
Can't see the beard.
There's no beard, and he has
beard.
a different expression. Okay, but these are really nice. I love these little figures. Okay, Owen, your turn.
I'm gonna try. I picked this one because I wanted to try to get Robin, because it kind of goes with the Teen Titans Go thing.
Okay.
Okay, I need scissors for this one.
Okay, Owen chose Justice League Mighty Minis.
Yeah. This works. Okay, so I can stick my fingers in here. What is it about? I'm gonna see if I actually got Robin.
What?
I did
Wow.
this. I chose this because I wanted Robin. I got Robin.
That's shocking.
Yeah. He fell. Whoa.
He's like, what's that?
This is like clear.
It is. Especially the cape. Like, you can see through it. Alright, Owen's going to put that one together, and I will do the very last one, Teen Titans Go.
This is like the cape.
I think somebody was feeling it because it's all wrinkled.
The cape is like
I think it's the cat.
it's like semi-transparent.
Yeah, it is. Ooh, big scissors. Okay, let's see who we got. Oh, I dropped half of it. It is Cat. Is this Beast Boy? That's a
Beast
cat?
Boy! That's a...
Cool.
We've only opened 2 and we got Beast Boy both times.
We did. We only opened 2 of these and we got Beast Boy every single time. Last time he was a beast. This time he's a cat.
I just noticed
Okay.
there's little holes in the hands. Wonder what that's for.
No.
Is there like things? Is there like sets that you can get?
Look at Beast Boy. He's awesome. Looks like he could hold something too. Is that what you were talking about?
Yeah.
Look at his little tail. Yeah, maybe there's accessories that he could hold.
I'm gonna go get a Lego. Maybe
Okay.
a Lego will fit his hands.
All right. Look at all of our toys together.
And yes, some Lego accessories do fit. And like this, he kind of looks a little crazy.
He does look a little bit creepy. Here they are. Sweet. Sweet, did you pick a favorite?
Mm-hmm.
Superman. You like Superman? Okay, what about you, Owen?
It's hard to choose. But I think Beast Boy.
He's pretty cool. I'm with Sweetie. I like Superman too. Alright, if you like this video, please click like and subscribe and share with your friends. And we'll see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.
You're so cute.